Perception and attributions, fascinating topics that shape our understanding of behavior. We all perceive the world differently, influenced by our unique personalities, values, and interests. What's boring to one person may be captivating to another. But how does perception work? It's a step-by-step process. First, we observe sensory data from our environment. Then, our mind selects and organizes the data into meaningful patterns. Differences in perception arise from how we select and organize information. Take a look at these visuals. What do you see? Perception is complex, and it can lead to distortions. Stereotyping, for example, assigns generalizations to individuals based on group categories. This prevents us from truly knowing others and hinders their progress. The halo effect is another distortion, where one characteristic blinds us to others. To ensure accurate perception, we must consider all relevant information. So, how accurate is your perception? Let's find out. Answer the questions in Exhibit 14.5 and challenge your judgment.